Omo ya West. Ewo Ghana. Ejuma pia. No kurani. Usha omo attitude. They don't deserve adia. President Akufo-Addo ayemo. Nurses. So we yari now go hospital. The we are nurses. It treat you. As a one kasa na share that koto ya de ma. Omo ya bogus people in this country. Because of corporate partner kohwe nurse. Attention. How are they my patient here? Who are who's well?
Every year training, I am more now.
My dear training. A dear training. Dear Bakumin Chian Sika, name me ya, Bami Tunofo. They say, walk on. Obi and who pay a dear. To back now, Obi Yare, near ya, to an him. One here, a sharp and who talk to Becho and dear cake. We Ghanaians are like that. But so Cocolebu pa nurses. Who share me among your patients, Roa? Woman deserve be Pia President Akufo-Addo ayemo say free. Yes, so we need to be bold and criticize them. Me young could be weekendy or free land in the bar. Now that be our program say or where some boom. No afraid, and you have to take your time. And we are insulting this. Only pana or to me from because as a Joe, if you have evidence, to send you no evidence, why we have a communipa. But wouldn't what I'm talking about with you? Whom he say no, who said be in the Papuni. When him say we can be, call Legon Hospital. Echo, share boy, 29-year-old boy, or law school. Before so be no. Me young boss a tro. Or Noah, or Tilandra, or show me programmer. Now of frame advising. Eyewitness account. Or bo, or be so throw because. Before I was it before some mammy back who be. Omo friend no the phone. I could outside. Now only will be kasa na nipa me sofa. Also gina wa na mammy no. Boy no a omo so kwhwe no no. Ensuo na agina ne yeba say kidney problem here. There's a no effort. Omo declare so be they don't care. And you also akuntokwa obi say what is your name? Also a doctor. I say please remove that doctor. You are not. Remove that title. Na sa ya de na ya 29 year na bia ya no onim procedure ti ogina okra na o kire wo. They were not prepared. They were not prepared. Airtime. Enra na me tie argument bi about teachers. Na NDC ni bi ka say Musia free education. Me koye me ba me tria teachers motivation. Rubbish. Rubbish. Why do you pay motivation to a teacher who has accepted to teach? What kind of nonsense is this going on in this country? Now or justify say okoye ya give the teachers motivation. One page man jai. Case closed. I am telling you, me say President Akufo-Addo I'm finding them see for science and funa ekoso na muso na teacher for Utah gas situation. Why situation? Look at what is going on. Ewo Winneba University of Education. Almost former vice chancellor no and then answer oko yoko. Ni signature yes sign. Na onimpo se ono no was sign. These are highly educated people corrupting the system. Now you have Utah bogus. I don't care about them. Please. No, me show me your bogus. I'm your bogus. You're bogus. All these associations now, for their interest, not the interest of the country. You have to be bold to speak against it. When you know, say a whole Winneba University corruption going on, and we have that bogus institution. Please, Mr. Makaomi, you're bogus. The evidence I have against this school. Now to me now, you have to go and defend. Only a bogus. They don't think of the country. They think, me say, who do you check? Every association in this country, they think of themselves. They don't think of the country. Every association, Utah for college for nurses for police for will be the end of your welfare. What about the country? If the country and your papa welfare better than we are. Please, we should be bold to criticize the wrongdoings in this country. Yes, it is wrong. Me can no credit. Who do you mean? Who? You are every me go teacher for kore ni mo se be yo mo
One
says me nyabutre one says me nyabutre one says me yeah then enye nimguase say wa ma wo mo ahu what is going on. Now you have bogus politicians in this country to come on radio to say me cry Jimmy teachers motivation and them try and they are near saying nga committee dinner for him to come on radio even to justify say Okoye he has to pay teachers motivation. One power juma jai.
So a politician will be or politics.
One power juma, but it is in there. Teachers motivation. One period when you go hotel. Now only pano sebua on sere. Pia udra brochire. Jak akatuya na nya ibia o. But now no me call Kmart. Na me padi atro na ma nom Chinese Slim TV. A cherry ansa na come. Ti me wura o bathroom wo office bi say. Na manager no e dey workers e bi wo field. And e bi wo room. Na all coach wo mu e kire wo mu what to do. And I'm telling you, know, your attitude, the way you look at the people, the way you pay attention to them, first thing, you have to smile. First thing, you have to smile. Who call hotels? More journalists, before you publish anything good about me, Muji Soli. Soli is bright, complete. Muji, Mujina, Muko Field. Eba Soli. Na me mo nyeme Soli. Me kere Japan. Mo cover program wa ha. Me ma other stations na ya. Mo so mo de modin ba. Please, my kind kura na change you suban. Na me so me change you suban. Ah, me se mo o man FM net 2. Mo ji me Soli. Mo nyeme.
O kan se bia se bu ha ma on kan ha bia meja.
No. I won't lie on your program. Ah, wo so de mo nyeme Soli wa. Me ko prove a kire mo. Say mudi or list so. Mumudi anya bribe.
Production TV.
Who we are? No abekase politicians corrupt. Our nature, your culture, how we are brought up, and my system no cost. Look, Matina classroom for them university is about 98% whites. Two ya we are 21 ba na with them will be a opa from here in the bisa. Na with you. From Madam Bra. I was in American Who is Who 2 years continuous. What in American Who is Who?
Catch them.
Best students in America. Opa Frestella was here. Maybe if I'm lying. I have my idea. On year album say the whole universities in America. Best student 2 consecutive years.
Yes, you have to.
No, but Uba have parliament is a Mekoka Brofu or London. You are a senior MPB or minister. Oh, she was I didn't know you could speak English like that. I said, wow. So that is the impression he has about me. Because America actually said you should communicate. When we are speaking English, as a communication. Speak for the people to understand. That is what he said to me. And I laughed. What you say? Even 98% whites. Any blacks in ground. We were this list continuously. I know natural will say, Henka Obroni, Onyehu, but Orieskura only committed to their job. Sikanim, but what we a Jumano money ye, am I a promoter Manisika Kosu?
Can I say, maybe to me a year, I'm walking at me.
If I attack Balado man who says here for not doing the right, as I make a root up for once, said the documents I have about university, we to follow to inquire their support too. Once I make house, and I know they are no yard and I beg you now. Yeah, only a bogus. A nurse for only a bogus. Oh, share me free. I may cut 37 the Korean offer. Now, yeah, did you grown? Look, 3 weeks ago, me call mammy be another frantically normal friend say, Omo Niska. Na or wana o collapse na me dim the echo emergency ya na arewo 37 military hospital e man me nyina emergency guo na maami panyina brewa ni nufu nyina guso na papa panyini bema na ade ani da so why you mean patients don't have dignity Me bu fu kika ma dwen chirom kra nam de. Me dis kan ma ma me nam pie fi no. Nam bu afu. Me bu afu because 23rd December last year. Me nyonku bi wa America no kra wa ba say. Ni wa fa ase de car ko nya accident. Di me one of frame 24 of say wujafo. Wa ma da ho one day. Ya nhwe wo mu enti osrami. Me ko ampa na ba ko da stretcher so. E wo fom. E na ba ko do ma rush ne ko theater. Na bi say, no be say ye ni pan kura free ambulance stretcher kura ni bi. Ti me call around that and say in between the emergency and one ward asasi wo na mka say na asasi am de adua green grass ni ayi. Mo ma me see emergency ayi extend the ade no mamo. Some no ka say me give me telephone number mom. Doctor ba ko na me ne chat ba am say the wonyimti no maintain ka. Nobody has contacted me say we have agreed say assassin ye be mad wesi. Why I wanted to do that me say me call New Jersey St. Barnabas Hospital. Na me buy yare na call. Di me ready omo isa. The whole hospital was built by a husband and wife. So I wanted to do something for my country. 37 military hospital emergency. I want to know. So what you know near for me there? I don't know.
Oh sir.
Me na me catch you. Me na me catch you. Why would I lie? Mama would date. Go and check. Central media. I will never lie. Well, these attitudes when you know, and your man that what budget vision you could and cost.
This is serious. And pen on pound myself. I don't get it.
I don't know. And I make catch us. I make papa some no catch us a urano. Ghanaian is naturally born bad, and a black man is naturally born bad. Because deep here, your man anything to be on. You better say. Men call national identification, but a man for our call the catch us. Ish, yeah, and this is why money. So I call national identification. Bah, send me what's here to. And one of them last year, by complaining. So even ensure kura and ma. Go and ask how much money was spent to build that building. Why? How can you then compare yourself to Obroni?
Anyway.
Well, we have a problem.
We have a problem. I mean, if I went to you quickly enough, you saw accident. I see what my motorway so free two boot to the paper and driver for a number and Shannon so tanker car beer gas room and any accident. Grano and Cassidy will be a film with and so drivers and I'm kind of so and Shannon so offering kind of in our farm Shannon so free 10 months on our bar or trap two boots and our Shannon so a day. And my policy for one year and I feel more coffee and my equine into me and now and far am I can finally Obi Susu said you hear radical change and we're gonna see. You a leader or then a night basic form. Even say one
me say, Nyauhiani say Rollins was given that opportunity, but they couldn't ogufu. You need economic revolution.
I'm only saying
now radical change and it says there is nowhere in the world that they will accept that nonsense. Say, your outer lane. I feel the middle of the highway, truck for Napak. And there is nobody. You want President Akufo-Addo to come and arrest the truck driver. We all have to be self-disciplined. Let the truth prevail at all times. No justice should be favored anybody. Or you're wrong or you're wrong. Me say what your truck driver can see you 5 days. Modi abase anybody obe park in the middle of the highway you tow car no ye de kwa ube tua towing fee car no ya fa court nyowe 5 days and san ye release car you will see what will happen in this with this truck drivers. Say teacher ni back now akọ who assess no first na nkruma no ne buzi anoma breso de na even a champa breso na nyansa and timma for your country now because now your supervisors balado no actually there who were classrooms are unannounced who was a supervisor ba who butumpuma no now okay send your teacher in actually where from this motivation today say teachers motivation, and we have some political to come and give excuse to say now do a free education now or teachers motivation into a teachers motivation. You can go to hell if you're a teacher and you don't want to work. Go to hell. You need a leader who will say me 4 years, I'm going to make changes in this country. Melusu and Melusu. Then you will see how we move this country. Politicians should stop interfering all the time. Obiya, you parents were friends. I'm Kenneth Japan and this and that. Yeah, baby, about my bizarre. Zena, Omba Dum TV, Oma Salai, Oma Koto migration forms. Into Menquanium Found, Namza, okay. Into Obiya or war, Jenny. I won't name me. Now, I'm also qualified to say why be granted the AHO. Obey. Yen deny. I am against that. What did I say? But the Biamikasa, my friends around me try to convince me, say, hey, that's our necklace, so you have to help your people. What did I say? I'm against that. Almost say national service. You did not put to Bungurugu Yoyo, a Jimmy and Vanamranka. I probably say, oh, and Kraha, and this is for the year or two. Northern region, 3 years into a MPP ninety, Menkani and Fan the Yerimra. Why you didn't want the uncle? Why you maybe I respect you, but why you didn't want the uncle? Oh, you don't know Kwaji man. No one him said she can be transferred anyway. One casa Kwaji man. Not in shame. Oh, pay you money when you more to say, Chapel Democra. Munya Grand Repenamo Hudi Edgina. Muria must a Ghana yet. Me no be no attitude near my Ghana. I wish say I will be an opportunity to be the president of this country for just 4 years. I'll whip them. Mura fi say, na muni pay anu atia ya. Yes, woni Mahama kwa out to ye. Yan me yi na di. This Mahama na bi adwuma no ma me na wo. On starting no friend from on the NDC for started dealing no. Now friend from convention. E ka madam wo ye adwuma wo United Nations. Ndi ana wo ye principle ka just say United Nations for more principles no and working with Ghanaians so. And me want evidence against her out. O man from Agua. Good. So we got to be bold, man. Take the bull by the horn. Discipline the people. Get close. I said me around. When he practices me young boss to throw. Now he puts himself in my shoes. He said what is going on to you. So what evidence? He said me one. And now the Okohun Kakra boss to tree. Kabe Kunipa. Now till land they are not texting her, take your time. And I say, so only it. In Ghana, dear, the country is sick. Can't be that so by now. Yami Aduma, Nasa next week or high, ever sign Kennedy or Hile Japan, a Sin Central. He said, I mean, it's a Ghana for the drone one, not pay change, and that's so. Then Yaku drone one, Mama, I said, Bessam, you pay the Quabra Quanchi, madam, no more pacho. Quabra Quanchi, but Mamma Skizo, you see, and I've said to Quabra. Oh, patches out Nipan were indispensable. Into Canada, who says, yeah, patches, I mean, no man ever made one. You have to train people, conscientize them. They should take their destiny into their own hands. But Ghana first. The youth of this country second. And honesty third. And we move. God bless you. Next week, yeah, done for commercial break now for today's agenda, bro.